Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a neon text effect in Canva. Let's get started. Click on Create a New Design and go to the Custom Size option here and select 1280 by 720 pixel and click on Create a New Design. Now we have a blank template open on the Canva screen. Go on the left hand side and click on Elements and search for neon in the search field here. Click on Photos and select an image from some of the stock photo options available here. For this video, let me select this image. Now go on the left hand side and click on Text and add a heading here. Change the color of the text to white. Let's write neon and change the font. Go up here and click on Fonts. Let's search for Outline in the search field here. And scroll down, you can see that there are so many font options to choose from. Let's choose this font here. And then increase the font size of this text. Now go up at the top here and click on Effects. And on the left hand side, you see all options. Click on Neon. Now let's change the color. Go up here and select the color of your choice. Let me select this color here. And now increase the font size of this text to make it look better on this background image. See, that was so easy. I hope you liked this video. Please like and subscribe for more tutorials like these.